In this video, I'll show you how to create menu in WordPress. After watching this video, you'll be able to create menus for your website very easily. If that's what you want, let's get started. Now, before you create menu, you need to have some pages, posts, and categories. You can have one category, that's fine, but you need to have some pages and posts in order to look good. And this all depends on what you want to show to your site visitors. As you can see, this site has no menu. We're going to add a menu. To add a menu, go to Appearance, Menus, click on Create a new menu. Menu 1. Select display location as primary menu. Create menu. Now you can add pages, posts, custom links, categories. Let's add terms, about, contact, add to menu. If you want to add a home button link to your menu bar, https://allgaminglist.com and put home. Add to menu. You want to put these categories: gaming, strategy games, FPS games. Add to menu. Now let's say you want to add the strategy games as a subcategory under gaming. So what do? You just drag this to the right. See, it's a sub item. If you want to keep the home button at the beginning, just drag above. To save a menu, click on Save Menu. Let's check. Refresh. And we have the menu here. As you can see, gaming has strategy games as subcategory. Now let's set up the footer menu. This area is called footer area. We are going to set up a footer menu. Come back to menus. Create a new menu. Menu to footer. Do not select anything here. Just create menu. Disclaimer, privacy, contact, add to menu. Save menu. Let's go to customize. Oh, and I'm using generate press theme for this blog. Let's come to widgets. Click on this plus button. Type menu. Select navigation menu. Site, links. Select the menu, menu to footer. As you can see, we have the footer menu here. Click on publish. Now, if you want, you can add other pages here with the live preview. To do that, go to menus, menu to footer. Click on add items. Let's say you want to add the home button link. Let's drag the home button. We already have contact, disclaimer. Click on publish. See. So we have the top menu as well as the footer menu added here. That's all for this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.